here.
ओ बेड़ चो अल्लाह कर जनो
Wow.
रो अम्मो की वजह बैठा ले मुंह में तो निकाल के
Deliveries of NPL season 1 and a big shout out to everyone out here. It's been a festival of the Himalayas, quite literally.
जब मुंह में
celebration
निकाल
of
के
Nepal.
या हो बता
HD.
ए बैलून
Has had all of
That's
us
all,
on
Mogi.
feet, glued to
The games, the quality of cricket. Yeah,
Yeah, this is the winning moment as well for the JANAKPUR Bulls. They create history. They emerge champions of NPL season 1 and they have etched their names in the annals of history, forever remembered as the gold standard of achievement. The players run onto the field and the Bulls synergy is a marvel to behold, with each member a vital cog in a well-oiled machine that churned out victories with ease. Congratulations, JANAKPUR Bulls.
Came in as underdogs against a side that they'd played twice and lost to twice comprehensively. For the first 10 overs, they were fetching leather, and many thought it was going to be one-way traffic. But they scrapped that, got themselves into the contest. And then a hero emerged, Lahiru Malanta, playing an innings of high class, taking them then to the brink. And then the Canadian Harstucker taking them over the line.
We are seeing history unfold here at the Tribhuvan University International Cricket Stadium. And there you have it on the board. JANAKPUR Bulls, champions of the inaugural edition of the Siddhartha Bank Nepal Premier League.